Hello and welcome to Dot.Tech everybody. Now, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you receive all new tech content and updates from Dot.Tech. So, today's video is about how you can recover permanently deleted files from your computer. Now, I'm talking about permanently deleted files, not the files that go into the recycle bin if you just click delete. Now, for doing this operation, you're gonna need a free software called Recuva. To download this software, first open any of your favorite web browsers and type Recuva and hit enter. Now, according to the website, Recuva is a Windows utility to recover accidentally deleted files and images. So, that's exactly what we want, so we're gonna go to the website and we're gonna install this software. So, once you're in the website, you can go ahead and click the download free version because we don't want the Recuva Pro, so I'm gonna click Recuva free download because we just need the advanced file recovery. We don't need virtual hard drive support or automatic updates. So I'm just gonna click free download and I'm gonna click on this green download button to download the setup. So now I've already downloaded the setup, and so I'm gonna cancel the download. And now after the setup has been downloaded, you can go and install the software. To do it, just right click, run as admin, and the setup should open within a few moments. There we go. Now you're gonna want to click customize and select your preferences. Now I would recommend adding a desktop shortcut, adding a start menu shortcut if you want, but I don't want to start menu shortcuts, so I'm gonna uncheck that. Now these two. Add scan for deleted files option to the recycle bin context menu. This is going to be really useful if your items first went to the recycle bin and then you emptied the recycle bin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep these checked, and I don't want automatic updates, so I'm gonna uncheck that, and you can go ahead and click install. Now I already have the software installed, so I'm just gonna cancel the setup. Once the software has been installed, you can go ahead and run the software, and if this warning pops up, you're gonna want to click OK, and then you're gonna want to head to properties and compatibility, and then check this run this program as an admin and click apply, then click OK. Now refresh and double click, and it should ask you the admin password if you have a separate admin account, and you should be right here. So this is the wizard, and every time you open Recuva, this thing will appear. Now just click next, and what sort of files are you trying to recover? Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to delete a file, and I'm going to run Recuva. Now let's delete one cursor that I just recently got. So I just permanently deleted that file. Now it's not there, it's not even inside the recycle bin. As you can see, this folder is empty. Now I'm gonna run Recuva. And now I'm gonna click next, and now I'm gonna click all files because now the files I deleted belong to none of this category. Now look, if you have any pictures you deleted, you can select that. On music, if you deleted, you can select this. Documents here, video, compressed, and emails. Now, if you deleted something else, you can select all files, so it'll show you all deleted files. Now, this is gonna take time to show all files, but if you deleted a specific type of file, you can select any one of these. Now go ahead and click next, and file location, it's gonna ask you the location of the files. Where were the files? If you're not sure where the files were, you just go ahead and leave it on I'm not sure. Now, if it was on any external drive, like a pen drive, a media card, or your iPod or anything, you can go ahead and click that. If they were in your documents, you can go ahead and click here. If they first went to the recycle bin before getting deleted, you can click here. And if they were in a specific location which you still remember, you can click that, go ahead and click browse. Now it was in my stuff drive inside my cursors folder, so I'm gonna click that and click OK. Now we're gonna go ahead and click next. Now if you want to enable deep scan, you can, but this is gonna take time and it's gonna show you deleted files from long ago. Now I don't want to enable deep scan because I just deleted these files very recently for the sake of this tutorial. So now let's go ahead and click start. Now it's gonna scan the folder, and yes, look at this. It's found all my cursors that I just deleted. Now this green color button kind of thing that appears here, now this shows the state of the deleted file. Now if it says excellent state and it says no overwritten clusters detected, it's most probably going to be really easy to recover these files. Now I want to recover everything, so I'm just going to select everything. If you want to recover specific files, you can go ahead and uncheck the ones you don't require and only check the ones that you want to recover. Now since I'm recovering everything, I'm going to select all, and here is the recover option. Now once you click this recover, now the one thing I want to tell you while recovering files is don't recover them in the same folder or same drive from where you deleted them. Now I'm going to recover it in the C drive, and now I'm going to make a new folder here, and I'm going to call it material cursors, and OK. Now once you click OK, it should recover all the files, and for proof I'm going to show you that they're actually recovered and I'm actually able to use them. As you can see here, these are all the cursors, and now I'm going to show you that these cursors actually work. Let's go ahead and go to mouse settings, additional mouse options, pointers, and now I'm going to select material cursors and the regular one. There you go. Now let's recover it back to the normal cursors that I like. Now this is how you can recover deleted files, and if there were more deleted files, more number of deleted files, and there were some overwritten clusters detected, then it will try to recover the file, but if it fails, then you've got no option left. But if you permanently deleted a file that you didn't have to delete and you want to recover them, you can go ahead and go to Recuva and restore the files. Yes, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, and this is Dot.Tech signing off.